Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have these. These are Brushies, and these are little individual toothbrush things. It comes with little pre-pasted brush. It's got real bristles, I guess, I don't know, versus just like those rubber nubs. It's got a little toothpick thing at the end, comfortable floss. I mean, I don't know. Let's check this thing out and see how it is. So let's see. It's a big pack of them. I don't know how many it's got in there, maybe 50 or so. I don't know. I'll open it up and we'll check it out. So let's see. So this is what one looks like. So here we go. So that's what it looks like. It's got the little floss on the end. It's got the little toothbrush on the other end. And then, oh, the toothbrush has like toothpaste in it already. If you look at it, I don't know if you can see in there. It's like got it kind of in there. And then there's the little brush. So I'm just going to give it just a little try and see. It works like a regular floss stick. And then this, boy, that's got a lot of toothpaste in there. Seems pretty good, and the bristles seem pretty good too. I'm not going to show you guys my whole routine, but these actually seem like they would be almost a replacement for a toothbrush if you took this on vacation or something. So seems pretty good to me. So this is Brushee, very minty. So this is it, Brushee pre-pasted brush. So seems pretty good to me. Brush, pick, floss, all in one. On the go, no water needed. Very cool. So I'm gonna say this is really cool. You guys should pick up some of these things. It's good to have, keep them in the car or whatever, or just take them on when you travel on a trip. Easier than carrying a toothbrush. So I'm gonna say thumbs up from me. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna put a link to this in the description so y'all can pick one up for yourselves. Thanks, bye.